Have you ever wondered how a dark rock buried thousands of feet beneath the earth turns into a powerful magnet in just a few months? And why billions of dollars are spent every year around the world on this ordinary looking piece of metal? Today, we're going to show you the incredible journey of the magnet known as the heart of the modern world. The story of making a magnet begins deep underground, where rare minerals like iron, barium, strontium, and neodymium are mined from the earth. First, geologists scan the entire area to figure out exactly where the minerals are located and how much is available. After that, specialized drilling machines break through the layers of rock. Once everything is carefully planned, controlled explosions are carried out with extreme precision. Unlike regular mining operations, random blasting is never done here. Every explosion is calculated down to the smallest detail to make sure the minerals stay undamaged and maintain their quality. Next, massive machines, conveyor belts, and heavy-duty trucks transport tons of ore to the factory. Once the materials arrive, the real process begins. First, the rocks are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and dust. Then they are sent to the grinding section. There, giant ball mills and jet mill machines grind the material for hours until it becomes a powder finer than human hair. During this process, the temperature is carefully controlled so the natural magnetic properties are not destroyed. After that comes the flotation process. Large tanks are filled with water and special chemicals to create foam. Valuable mineral particles attach themselves to air bubbles and float to the top, while unwanted dirt and rocks sink to the bottom. The entire process takes place inside sealed tanks, so no harmful gases escape into the environment. Now comes the real magic: mixing. Neodymium, iron, and boron are combined in extremely precise proportions. This mixture is then placed inside a vacuum furnace where oxygen is removed and argon gas is added to protect the metal from damage. After that, the material is melted inside an induction furnace at extremely high temperatures. It is then rapidly cooled and turned into thin flakes or chips. But the process still isn't finished. These chips are ground again into ultra-fine micron-level powder. The powder is then placed into steel molds surrounded by a powerful magnetic field. This causes all the particles to align in one direction, like thousands of tiny compasses pointing the same way. This step determines how powerful the final magnet will become. After pressing, the blocks are still weak. To strengthen them, they are heated for several hours at extremely high temperatures. This allows the particles to bond together into a solid piece of metal. Afterward, diamond cutters and laser machines shape them into the correct size and design. Now comes the most important step: magnetization. Up until this point, these are just ordinary pieces of metal with no magnetic force. They are placed inside a special machine and exposed to thousands of volts of electricity for a split second. This creates a magnetic field far stronger than the Earth's natural magnetic field. And in that exact moment, the ordinary metal transforms into a powerful magnet. Finally, strict quality checks are performed. And during packaging, special care is taken to keep the magnets from sticking together. Spacers are placed between them for protection. After this, these magnets are used in Tesla electric vehicles, wind turbines, and hospital MRI machines. From a hidden rock deep beneath the earth to advanced high-tech machines, this small piece of metal has become an invisible force powering the modern world. This ordinary-looking object is actually the heart of some of the world's most powerful technologies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.